Hello everyone. Happy January 30th. Today we celebrate croissants, School Day of Nonviolence, and the joy of peace and pastry. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry, more exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. It's National Croissant Day. A buttery French delight. A great gift could be a croissant baking kit, a gourmet pastry box, or a café voucher. Do you love croissants? Let's flake the comments. It's School Day of Nonviolence and Peace. A reminder to promote kindness and respect. A thoughtful gift could be a peace poster, a donation to a school program, or a kindness journal. How do you spread peace? Let's share in the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. It's National Escape Day. A playful reminder to take a break and recharge. A sweet gift could be a travel voucher, a spa day kit, or a cozy getaway guide. How do you escape the routine? Let's dream in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for February 26th to 28th. So you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.